Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Goron Guitar and to a cool song from Machine Gun Kelly. It's called Miss Sunshine. And for this specific tutorial, I choose to go with my cool TYMA guitar with this cool pattern. I don't know why I just connected this guitar to him. I'm not sure, but anyway, it's a little crazy. Maybe MGK is that as well. And let's go on with this tutorial. We have the capo set here on the 4th fret. That's the absolute best snare for us. Let's check out the chords with that setup. We're gonna start with C first. Okay, so C goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have next F major 7. Alright, so you're gonna play 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have F next, which is a bar chord, so you play the index finger on this 1st fret, you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. And then finally we have the A minor. And that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's start with the strumming pattern. It's a pretty long one, and we're going to divide it into 2 different parts. So let's start with the C, that's the 1st chord, and learn the strumming. So 1 full round goes like this. Okay, so first part will be down, up, clap, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, clap, up. Again. And then it continues with up, clap, up, down, up. So part 2 was up, clap, up, down, up. And if you connect these 2 parts, it will be down, up, clap, up, clap, up, clap, up, down, up. And that is 1 round. Let's go into the song, and we're gonna play the verse play, which goes C, 1 full round, both part 1 and part 2, and then F major 7, 1 full round. And you're gonna alternate these for 4 rounds. Let's go for 2 rounds together. C1, F major 1 for 2 rounds. Okay, so I played 2 rounds for you. You're gonna double up 4 rounds, and that is the first verse. Now into the pre-chorus, 49 seconds in, we were royalty and so on. Now you're gonna play G, 2 full rounds, okay? And then F, 1 full round, and then back to G, 1 full round, and that's it. So G, 2. That's a pre-chorus. Okay, so we're gonna hit the chorus now at 1 minute and 5 seconds in. It's a long way home, okay? So you're gonna play the first part here for 3 rounds, and that is to play C, part 1, the down, up, clap, up, down, up. Sorry, up, clap, up. That is part 1. And you're gonna play then F part 1, and also G part 1, and A minor part 1. So these 4 chords, C, F, G, A minor, play part 1 for all these chords for 3 rounds. And then the 4th and final round, you're gonna play C part 1, F part 1, and G 1 full round. That's the 4th round. So first 3 rounds like this. Again, C, F, G, A minor. 3rd round. And now C, that is the end of the first course. All right, now we're gonna jump back into the second round of everything, and guess what, guys? Everything here goes in the same way as we just learned. 4 rounds of that C, F major 7 in the verse, then 1 round of G2, F1, G2. G2, F1, G1. Sorry, I mentioned that last chord wrong. So that is same as the first round, and also the second chorus. No changes there. And then you have the outro part left after the second chorus. And guess what? You're gonna play the verse play for 2 rounds. That's C, F major for 2 rounds. And that, my friends, is how you play Miss Sunshine from Machine Gun Kelly. Good luck and enjoy. Till next time, play tuned.